Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 303, a 2-bed, 1-bath unit on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the hall closet on your left. Continuing down the hall, we turn a corner and come to the kitchen. A nice modern kitchen with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboards. On into the large living room, you'll see 7 pieces of furniture, a dining table and 2 chairs, an armchair and an end table, and a sofa with coffee table. This is a corner apartment with large picture windows facing west over Cayuga Street and north over the Ithaca Commons. Bedroom 2 is located directly off the living room. Each bedroom comes with 5 pieces of furniture, a bookcase, a full-size bed, a dresser, and a desk and desk chair. Each room is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Heading back through the living room and back through the kitchen, we come to bedroom 1, located off the hall. You'll see the same 5 pieces of furniture, and you'll note that each bedroom comes with a large closet. Plenty of storage space here. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and sliding door medicine cabinet, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 303. Call us today for availability.